Okay, so here we are at 5 o'clock in the morning. I was going to load all this on the truck yesterday and go to the swap meet today, but I blew it off. I said, oh, I can get up in the morning and do it. Not gonna happen. I'm 55 years old. I can't put all that on the back of a truck, take it off the back of a truck, sell it all day, put it all on the back of the truck. Not gonna happen. So we got a different plan. Welcome to another edition of the Weekend Storage Warrior. Well, what are we gonna do today? I'm looking at this enormous pile of leftover swap meet stuff. This just gotta go. I should have sold it last weekend, but I didn't feel like haggling with people over 50 cents. Speaking of things that I don't really enjoy doing, what are we doing today? Well, today's Tuesday. I've decided that I'm going to list things on eBay today. So these are the things that I want to list on eBay. We got 2 Xboxes. One has a Halo hard drive, interestingly enough. 1 charger, so I can use the charger to test both of those. I've got these vintage TEAC speakers. Still has a $25 price tag on it from the thrift store. It's missing one of these little studs here. It's no big deal. I have a like new Epson printer and 2 iPods. And you'll notice this is all electronic stuff, so it all needs to be tested. That is what we will be doing next. First, I'm going to use this old stereo thing to see if the speakers work. Okay, so I've got this stereo hooked up to these speakers, and they work. I gotta say, doing eBay is not my favorite thing. I think it's because it's delayed gratification. You have to do all this work and to find the wires, hook it all up, strip the wires, find a power cord, and I think that sounds just fine. That's why those were $25 in a thrift store. TEAC. So we're going to try and do this without going to the liquor store. I gotta say, doing eBay, to me, it's like doing taxes. It's about that much fun. So, I guess we're not gonna do any eBay. It's a nice little garage stereo here. I didn't realize that was a surround sound system. Vintage Panasonic. That's a nice piece. That's money sitting here. It's just, if I don't get it right now, I'd rather just sit and have a beer. And that's it for this movie. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.